We are Europe in the Caribbean. We are Europe in the Pacific, and we are Europe in the Arctic. They are not the front line in the Caribbean. They are not the front line in the Pacific. They are not the front line in the Arctic. We are the front line, and we should leverage that frontline position that we have. It is in projects where there could be an added value for the relationship with the member state, with the EU, that we can really leverage this position of being the front line in the Pacific or in the Caribbean or in the Arctic. My friends, these days you have much to think about, much to reflect on, and I hope that all of you can make the right choices. It's your independent wish that will have to be translated into concrete results for each of our territories and regions that also belong to this Caribbean family, this Pacific family, and this Arctic family. Let's leverage our position within the EU. Thank you very much. God bless you.